The Spectrum router blinking blue and white lights can be a confusing and frustrating issue for many users. To understand what these lights indicate, it is essential to know the different colors and their meanings. The blue light typically signifies that the router is in the process of booting up or connecting to the internet, while the white light usually indicates that the router is actively sending or receiving data. When the Spectrum router blinks blue and white, it often signifies that the router is trying to establish a connection to the internet but is having trouble doing so. This issue can be caused by various factors, including a faulty internet connection, incorrect router settings, or a problem with the physical connection between the router and the modem. To troubleshoot this issue, start by checking the physical connection between the router and the modem to ensure that all cables are securely plugged in. Next, restart the router and modem to see if this resolves the issue. If the problem persists, check the router settings to ensure that they are configured correctly. It is also essential to check the internet connection to ensure that it is stable and working correctly. This can be done by connecting to the internet using a different device or by checking the internet service provider's website for any outages or issues in the area. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset the router to its factory settings or contact the internet service provider for further assistance. It is also recommended to regularly update the router's firmware to ensure that it has the latest security patches and features. In conclusion, the Spectrum router blinking blue and white lights can be a frustrating issue, but it can be resolved by following the steps outlined in this guide. By understanding the meaning of the different colors and troubleshooting the issue, users can quickly resolve the problem and get back online. Regularly checking and maintaining the router and internet connection can also help to prevent this issue from occurring in the future.